Code with Kaleem. Today I come up with another video. In this video we are going to cover the multiple condition or else if condition in Angular. Remember, if else only have two condition, but else if means have multiple condition. I already made a video on if else condition. You can find out that in my playlist. In this video I'm going to cover apply basic if condition and how to use else if condition, and at the end I will cover the interview question. So now guys, let's jump into the code and do this. So first I'm going to define a one attribute with the name of color. For instance, it could be yellow for instance, and then in HTML I'm just going to define ng template. In ng template I will just define here one header. For instance, I will just define the h1 tag yellow color for instance, and here in order to achieve this one I will just add a one condition with the property binding ng if. Remember, in ngif I will be a capital, so it could be a mistake on your side, so you have to be careful while you're doing this. I'm going to use the triple equal here. Remember, the triple equal in Angular is important whenever you have to make sure that the value is a string or integer, that it makes sure with the triple equal that it's cover the condition. So but for the double equal, it's not verify that whether it is integer or it is a string, so you will get an exception. So but in my case I have to verify that whether it is a string or not, so I'm using this one. So let's for the h1 tag I'm going to use this style as well in order to just apply it here. So we will go from here and we'll just for instance for the yellow case I'm going to define it, and then I will just save it, and then I will see whether it's working or not. So you can see we have some issue here and it's not working. Why it's not working? Because we not save this file. So if we save it, then you can see that it will start load this one. So 1 second, let me restart it and see npm start, and we will see that whether it's working or not. So it is up. So now let's see whether it's come up or not. It's a local host multiple else if condition yellow color. So for instance, if I just change the color, let me change it, and I'm going to copy paste this condition and copy paste this condition. Now I'm going to mention the red color. For instance, for the red color I will just change the red color here and red color, but in this case what I want, for this one I have to change this to red for instance. Then we will see whether it will apply it or not. So you can see the red color is coming. So but in this case you can see that the yellow color is not fulfilled. We can also do the same thing with another one. For instance, if I define some sort of green color here, so you can see it here that green is working or not. So in this case you can see that, just save it and see whether it's work or not. It's a red color because I not changed the color here. So for that one I will just go here and change it to green. So you can see it here that it's working and its green color is coming up. So guys, you can see that we just covered the if condition here, and but remember, you could have some interview question here as well. There could be two interview question, and one question would be that how you can achieve the else if condition. Remember, there is no else if condition in an Angular, so it's only if condition. By using the if, you can use your requirement here the same way that you followed in Java, Flutter and some other languages. By using you can achieve that else if by using the ngif. But it could be another interview question for you guys, that if you have for instance 10 color, then what do you mean that you will use the 10 ngif condition? No, remember, whenever you have the more than 5 to 6 conditions or 5 to 6 decisions that you have to make, then it will be suggested that you use the switch case in Angular. For that one I will suggest you to stay tuned with my channel, because I mean in my next video I'm going to explain you this switch case as well in Angular. So guys, many thanks for you to watch my video. Stay tuned with my channel and just subscribe my channel so you will get the new latest tech video as well. Thank you guys.